Welcome to Casper Curates. I'm your Casper Ritu and we are back with the unboxing of yet another product which is none other than the DJI Neo drone. A drone which has several other names like user friendly, budget friendly, and which is the best proven choice for all the beginner YouTubers, digital creators and influencers. In this video, we'll not just be looking at the package inclusions, but we will also look at the available purchase options, its benefits, limitations, and last but not the least, its price with its best buy deal. So for those of you who are new to this channel, we record travel videos, food, lifestyle and tech reviews about the products which are our personal experiences about the product. So you can totally rely on these reviews because these are no paid promotions. So this is the box in which you get your DJI Neo Fly More combo. In this pack, we are getting 3 batteries and a charger to charge these 3 batteries all together at once. You have battery indicators over here to understand the uh, battery is charged. You have an RC. You get the drone. Your drone has propeller guards around it. It has a Type C charging connection. You have the gimbal protector here. This is your gimbal. You have a Type C to Lightning connector for connecting your phone to the RC. You have a Type C to Type C connector. You have a screwdriver. You have spare propellers and 2 spare screws in each propeller pack and a user manual. So that is all you get in the DJI Neo Fly More combo. So now that we have looked at the package inclusions that this drone has to offer, let us look at the benefits that this drone has to offer. So the first and foremost I would like to count on that it has a palm takeoff and landing. So you can have the aircraft, that is this DJI Neo drone, to have it fly from your palm. It can take off from your palm, and just in case while landing, if the drone is coming close to you, you can just place your palm under the drone and it can actually stop its operations. So that is your palm takeoff and landing. Secondly, I would like to point out at the fact that this weighs only 135 grams. So this is quite lightweight and portable for you to carry anywhere for your travel videos and your travel photography. It is quite impactful for that terms. Then third thing I would like to point out is that just because of the weight, you do not need any license to fly this drone. Some of you might be aware of the fact, and some of you might not be aware, that any drone which weighs more than 250 grams, you need a proper license to fly the aircraft of this drone. But to fly this drone, you do not need any license because it weighs way lesser than 250 grams. Another fact about this drone is that just if you want to access only the modes that are available with the drone and you are purchasing the only drone option without an RC or the Fly More combo with the 3 batteries, then all you can do is you can actually operate this drone from the mode button given here. So there is a power button and the mode button, and you can operate this drone without your handset as well as an RC. This is not an RC dependent drone wherein you would need RC as in a remote control to operate this drone for taking off or taking any pictures. And you can also operate it from your handset by using the DJI Fly app. Isn't that an interesting fact? Of course it is. So now every product comes not just with benefits but also its limitations. Now if you are going for the option of purchasing only the drone, I am sure you will get it at a better price than, not better, but I would say a lower price than the Fly More combo, which offers you way more products which we just seen in the package inclusions. But at the same time, it has some limitations. Now if you are using the drone and if you want to change the view of the gimbal, then you will not be able to change the view of the gimbal by just operating the mode button on the drone or by using the DJI Fly app on your handset. You will need your RC, that is your remote control of this drone, to change the gimbal view so that you can actually rotate the gimbal as per your convenience to take any angle shot. Apart from that, the GPS tracking option would be limited. If you want to track yourself while you are traveling in a car, and your car is the subject that you have actually asked your drone to track, and then your drone starts following your car, but that would be not accurate, because there is no GPS tracking limitations are involved in it. So that's the reason that option would not be feasible without a remote control, and it is not even safer to do so. Then apart from that, you also have an option to update the return to home location. The same example, I would say that if your drone is following your car, which is the subject which you want your drone to track, you can update the return to home location for a fact that your drone's return to home location would be the location from where your drone has actually taken off. But right now, if you are traveling somewhere from your car and your drone is actually following you, and then the battery starts turning low, then the drone will start returning to the position from where it has taken off. It has an auto return to home feature when the battery turns low and the battery indicates that it is lower, but your return to home location in this case would be from the location where it had taken off, and not at the location where your RC is. So if you are where you are actually, so if you have a remote control, you have the option in the DJI Fly app to actually update the return to home location based on the location from where the drone actually took off, or from where the RC is being operated. So in that case also, your remote control is quite feasible. Your altitude as in the height of the drone, right up, how much it can fly, to how many meters it can fly, would be restricted. If you are operating this drone based on the DJI Fly app, operating it from your handset, that is your mobile device, be it Android or iOS, you can do that. But you might as well be disappointed with the fact that you will not be actually able to turn it on the high altitude, which the company claims is 120 meters. But yet I would recommend that you would need an RC if you want to take such shots which would be having a maximum altitude requirement. So over there also, your remote control requirement comes into picture. Apart from that fact, I would still recommend you to go to the Fly More combo, because every battery on a single charge would give you a runtime of 15 minutes. The company claims 18 minutes, but after the trial and test which we have done, we have observed that the battery on a single charge, every battery would last for 15 minutes. And do not consider it at a maximum of 15 minutes, because if you are having this drone fly to a distant place, then maybe after 12 minutes or 10 minutes you would want that return time also to be included in it. So that is why I would ask you on a safer side to consider the drone's runtime on one way travel to be at least 10 to 12 minutes consideration. I am sure that you might be thinking that even if I have two batteries in spare apart from the primary battery in the Fly More combo, yet I would not be able to take a one time half an hour shot from the drone. Yes, that's true, I agree. But if you are planning to have a stopgap recording in this, then you can definitely have your full utilization of this drone. So this drone is a beginner's guide. Anybody who is a beginner YouTuber, digital creator, influencer, who are low on a budget, or who are on a tight budget but still want to perform epic shots, then definitely this drone is for you. And the good news is that this drone is not available on Amazon. This is not a good news, but a better news is that I have a very budget friendly deal for you, which is offering this drone at rupees 37,999, that too the Fly More combo, on not Amazon, because on Amazon the same Fly More combo was available at 60,000 inclusive of taxes. But this drone is available on another website, which is the best buy deal for you, on a price of 37,999 Indian rupees. So you can definitely check that and take your purchase. You will have it delivered all for free on your location. Alright, so the bad news is that you do not have right now any option to purchase only this drone without an RC and the Fly More combo. But yes, you have a very good deal, wherein I have already put in the best buy deal in the description for getting the Fly More combo. Currently, the Fly More combo as well as the only purchase of this drone option is not available on Amazon, but the deal which I have given you, you can trust that website. This is no paid promotion, but yes, you are getting it at a good deal from here. So, and you can have it delivered on your location all for free. So please do subscribe my channel for more such videos. If you have any doubts regarding the same, please do comment and let me know. I'm always there to answer your questions. If you are requesting for any shots of this drone, then please do let me know. I will quickly come to you with those drone shots for you to get a better understanding. Any other video about the RC, or maybe about the DJI Fly app, or maybe operating the drone from the handset, and we will also come back soon with some test and review videos for you. If you have liked the video, then please do like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you soon in the next one.